Graduates, faculty and staff, family and friends. This year, the Ogden-Weber Technical College is celebrating its 50th anniversary. In the past half a century, tens of thousands of students have graduated from Ogden-Weber Tech, and they've gone on to make important contributions to the success of our community. Technically speaking, our graduates run the world. And while we have 50 years of graduates, none have faced more challenges to their education than this graduating class. All of us have been impacted by the pandemic, and we've had to learn to accomplish things in new ways. Our graduates lead the way in overcoming challenges and showing everyone how to succeed. Between September 4th, 2020 and January 17th, 2021, there have been a total of 290 graduates from 27 different college programs. Our youngest graduate is 16, and the most life experience graduate is 60. 43 graduates are members of the National Technical Honor Society. 6 graduates are veterans, and 15 grads are dependents of veterans. Congratulations on completing your Ogden-Weber Technical College certificate. You have the technical skills our community and state need right now, and each of you have demonstrated the strength, courage, tenacity, and grit to succeed no matter what. I'm honored to have you represent your technical college in our community. Thank you.
Hello, this is Governor Spencer Cox, and I am honored to join you tonight for this historic graduation. I want to congratulate you on your perseverance and dedication during these unprecedented times. Your virtual experience tonight is a testament to the power of technical education and the forward-thinking mindset of Utahns. You crossed the finish line even though the last year was full of hurdles. The graduating class of 2021 have shown the world what true resilience is all about. As a graduate of Ogden-Weber Technical College, you will take with you an innovative, ambitious approach as you enter the workforce. As you move forward in life, never forget the strength and resiliency that you've shown during this time. Congratulations, graduates of the class of 2021. We are excited to see how your lives change and how you, in turn, change the lives of others for the better. Thank you and good luck.
Today is your graduation day. Let's go. All the hours of hard work has finally paid off, and you've made it to today. Today is a day of celebrating and honoring you guys. And as you're being sent off, I'd like to share some motherly advice. My mom is a great inspiration to me, and I think one of the lessons that she has taught me will help you in the next chapter of your life. My mom had one goal when growing up, and that was to be a parent. Following her divorce, she was forced into a position where she had to not just be one parent, but she had to do what 2 parents normally would do. She needed to find a way to take care of 3 kids by herself. She received an education here at the OTECH and was able to use the certificate that she received to find a job and provide. Now brings us to the lesson. If you're given a job, do it well. My mom wanted to be a parent, and she was. She did everything that would normally take a pair of adults to do. And she did it amazingly. Still does. Today is proof that you also learned this lesson as well, or none of you would have graduated. Now is the time to go and continue this lesson. Go into the workforce not as mediocre, all right, average. Go out there and you do your best. A famous Chinese philosopher once said, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with 1 step." You took that first step by signing up and coming to class. You pushed through the nerves of your first day, the stress of having to reach deadlines, and the disappointment of failing. And now you are here at the end point of 1 chapter of your life. Tomorrow starts a new chapter of your life. Another first step. This one, though, you've been prepped for. You've been prepped by the education that you have received. You've been prepped to take this step, and not just take it, but take it and do it well. Congratulations on your graduation.
Hello, grads. This is Fred. Congratulations on completing the program. I'm very excited for you. Congratulations. I look forward to seeing you out there in barbershop. Excited for your future. Hopefully you can come back and share your knowledge, your experience with the newer students. And good luck to you in the future. And let's go Barbers.
Congratulations, graduates! You did it! Yay! What an amazing career field to go into. We're so proud of you and happy for your future and what it holds. Congratulations! Wish you the best! Yay!
Congratulations, graduates. Way to go!
Congratulations, automotive students, and we look forward to your future success.
A hearty congratulations from H. Tyson Gibby in software development.
Congratulations, graduates. We are so proud of you, and we want to wish you best wishes in your next adventure.
Congratulations from the Student Success Center.
It's been such a privilege to work with all of our graduates. We're so excited for everything that you achieved, and we wish you the very best in your future. Congratulations.
Congratulations to our graduates. You've worked so hard for this, and we are so proud of you.
Congratulations, graduates. We're so proud of you and excited to share this special day with you. Way to go.
Congratulations, graduates. You guys are amazing. Good job.
On behalf of the Student Services Division at the Ogden-Weber Technical College, we want to congratulate you on your graduation. As our alum, we know that you will be doing amazing things in the community, and we're very proud of you.
Congratulations! Well done! Woo!
Congratulations on your graduation. We are so excited to see what you do with your future.
Congratulations, OTECH graduates.
You graduated in a pandemic? You're amazing. Congratulations.
Congratulations on your graduation.
On behalf of the graduation team, congratulations.
Hi, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to all of our graduates this year. Congratulations, we are so proud of you. Great job.
Congratulations to all of our amazing graduates that completed our amazing nail program. We are so excited and cannot wait to see you guys out there slaying the nail game. Yeah, what she said!